Hey everyone, let's talk about something we all dream about: becoming a millionaire. Whether you want to buy a yacht, live debt-free, or just flex on your friends, I'm here to show you how to reach that seven-figure goal. And no, it doesn't involve lottery tickets or waiting for Dogecoin to moon again. Let's jump in. First question, do you really want to be ultra-rich, or do you just want financial freedom? There's a big difference. Being ultra-rich means owning private jets and stressing over billion-dollar deals. Financial freedom, on the other hand, means living comfortably without constantly worrying about money. And trust me, it's way easier to achieve. Let's start with the basics: assets and liabilities. Assets are things you own that can make you money, like property, stocks, or even that fancy coffee machine collecting dust in your kitchen. Liabilities, on the other hand, are things that take money out of your pocket, like loans or credit card debt. The goal: own more assets than liabilities. That's how you build wealth, and the good news: it's not as complicated as it sounds. Take real estate, for example. It's one of the easiest and most reliable ways to grow your wealth. Here's how it works: buy a property. No, you don't need $500,000 upfront. A 20% down payment gets you started. Rent it out. The rent covers your mortgage, and over time, the property value increases. Sell or keep it, either way, you profit. The trick is to do your research, read a few books, or watch videos on real estate basics. You don't need to be an expert to get started. You just need to avoid obvious mistakes. Now, let's talk about making that million. You have three main options: invest in assets, work a high-paying job, start your own business. Each has its pros and cons. Jobs are stable but take time. Businesses can grow faster but come with risks, and investing requires capital upfront. But no matter which path you choose, one concept makes all the difference: leverage. Leverage is like a seesaw. The same amount of effort can produce wildly different results depending on where you apply it. For example, in a job, leverage your skills. Learn in-demand abilities like coding, design, or project management to land higher-paying roles. In a business, use labor, capital, or media. Hire people to help you, invest in tools that multiply your efforts, or use social media to reach thousands of customers. It's about working smarter, not harder. Here's the real secret: all wealth comes from providing value. Solve a problem and people will pay you for it. For example, bad grades, sell tutoring services. Weight loss, sell a diet plan. Crusty driveways, sell pressure washing. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you can charge. Add speed, ease, and guarantees to your solution, and you can charge even more. It's all about making your customers' lives easier. Want to earn even faster? Target wealthier clients or businesses. Selling a $2 product to 50,000 people takes forever. But selling a $2,000 service to just 50 people, much easier. And if you find one big client willing to pay you $100,000 a year, that's even better. This strategy is so effective it has a name. It's called getting a job. Yeah, your 9-to-5 is basically one big client paying you to solve their problems. Not sure what business to start? Don't overthink it. Every successful business solves a problem. Look around. What frustrates people? What are they willing to pay to fix? Start there. And if you're still stuck, think about what you're good at or what you enjoy. The best businesses combine passion with profit. Here's a pro tip: don't just chase money, chase value. The more you help people, the more money will naturally follow. And remember, it's okay to start small. Even if you're just flipping old furniture on eBay or teaching piano lessons, every little bit adds up. Over time, these small wins can snowball into something big. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to making your first million. It's not about luck, it's about strategy. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. It's free, and who knows, maybe your first million starts right here. See you in the next video.